Here's our winter storm we got going for Christmas. Blowing pretty good. We'll build up on the window. Looking out across to the barn. A little black speck out there is my new black truck. So you're blowing around pretty good. Doesn't look near as impressive on the old video here as it does when you're actually looking out, but the fact that you cannot see past the barn shows you that you cannot see past the barn. That you can barely see the barn looking. This thing actually sees better than I do. So there's Dill's hot little red GTO out in the snow. Well, there we go. How's that for White Christmas, huh? All right.